Okay, that is the door handle out of the 1990 to 1995 Toyota 4Runner rear door handle. The front ones have a lock on them. I opted to use these since I plan on putting in electric locks at some point. My truck didn't have door handles or latches when I received it from the auction, so I didn't want to spend several $100s per door to fit OEM type latches, so I went with these aftermarket Trimark door latches. They're not very expensive. It's a two-stage latch. One click and then the second locking click. So pretty herky latch. Very substantial. Looks to be very well built. Inside, this is part that's fit. This is still just a mock-up. I'll be building a better cover plate behind it. I'm just using the old plate as a backer to make sure everything fit right and everything was rigged okay. Yeah, they're pretty straightforward latch. Basic. This is $14. This is another $5 right here. So a very cost-effective option. This doesn't have the locking mechanism fit. There would normally be a piece of angle fit here and a little lever that slides in behind to stop the opening mechanism from rotating backwards to lock the latch. These ones aren't fitted with that particular component yet. Anyway, that's my option for these guys. Pretty straightforward. The install wasn't too bad. They latch nice and solid. The Toyota door handles seem to work really good. So I'm pretty happy with this.